Okay, good day people. Let's have a look at how you can check on the stats for X3 Matrix. So you will just use the website link. There's no registration. Let us have a look there. So this is the link. I've done it this way because if you paste that link, it doesn't show what the recording is or what it is. So you will just open the app by clicking on it in your normal internet browser, not inside SafeSpell. You can register from here as well. I will show you that as well. So purpose of this video is just for you to see and to understand more about X3. So if you can see there at the top, there is the link. Just go back there, right? So you can also install it on your device. Just create a shortcut. If you do not know how to do that, I'm using Brave browser. Scroll up and I will press on install and create a shortcut. So this is how you will create it, and there you can see the URL as well. You just press install and add automatically, then it will be on your home screen. From there on you can enter this site directly and you can get all the statistics from the matrix. Right, so let's run through this back office quickly. Now right at the top you will see the icon, there you will see dashboard. That is when you have registered. Right, then this is version 2. Obviously version 1 you could not upgrade to higher levels. Version 2 you can upgrade to any level at any time. Right, let's just this is the overview. Start right from the top. So we earn BNB with a low entry and fast flow inside this X3 matrix. So X3 is a decentralized 14 slot matrix on OPBMB. That's very important to understand. Many people still do not know about OPBMB network for BNB. They get confused between the two. So you register once and you refer at least 2 partners. Now those 2 partners can be either yourself, because it's such a low entry, about 10 Rand to 12 Rand depending on the BNB value of the day, or 60 to 65 US dollar cents. Many members are qualifying themselves with 3 accounts. So they register 1 position and then qualify that position with 2 direct partners. Right, and then that's the minimum requirement for any position to earn in X3 matrix. Right, so you can also register directly from here. I will show you that a little bit later, but you need to set up your SafeSpell wallet before you do that, and fund the wallet as well. Right, so new visitors, they start here. Right, everything is explained on the site. Right, so use the official registration link. SafeSpell wallet is recommended. Right, that is the minimum required amount of BNB that you need in the wallet. The registration or the position value is 0.001, so you need that extra 0.001 for gas fees or transaction fees. Otherwise the registration will not be successful. Right, you can register from here as well, and then WhatsApp. This will bring it to myself. Right, so the steps is, first of all, you install the wallet. Use OPBMB network correctly. There is training videos or tutorials about SafeSpell and OPBMB and how to set that up, how to fund the wallet as well. If you need any assistance or anybody needs assistance, kindly reach out on this WhatsApp icon. Right, and then the smart contract, you can access it directly from here. Just press on the BSC scan. It will come directly to the smart contract. Remember, this smart contract cannot be changed. It cannot be stopped, modified. It can only be stopped in the case of emergency, that something is desperately wrong that no one can fix. But normally that no one can make any changes to the smart contract. It will operate until the last day that the internet exists. And you can see that this smart contract was deployed 45 days ago. Right, let's just get the value at the current moment is $370. Now that money, no one can touch that. That is for upgrades that the smart contract uses for automatic upgrades. So it's currently at 0.6196 or 75 BNB. Alright, that's on the OPBME network. Right, then there's transactions. You will see that there's a couple of minutes ago, there's lots of registrations happening. 12 hours ago and then 11 hours ago, a couple of minutes ago, we are moving with the new week coming in again, and there's the registration amounts. There's an upgrade to level 2. Right, then you can go back all the way until the start of this deployed contract. Right, that is on the transactions tab. Then if you go to the contract section, it will give you all the finer details. The name of the contract is X3 version 2. Its exact match, its source code is verified. Right, and then these are the codes that you do not have to know them, but this is what is managing this smart contract. Right, so nobody can change these codes. If you want to make changes to this, we have to stop this contract and completely make a new one. Right, so we can go to the read contract section, read contract. Here you can get all the details of the of this matrix. Right, the addresses, the IDs, the user IDs to address the if you have the address, you can get the ID. If you have the ID, you can get the address of that position. Right, all of the last user ID, that is the number, it's 8366 at the moment, 8365 actually. There's always one extra. So that is the current number of registrations in X3. Level cost, you can see, you can input, let's say, level 5 and period, and it's going to give you the amount in BNB. Now that many people won't understand it, so it's going to take you to this page, and it's 0.016 BNB. That is the amount to upgrade to level 5 actually, not to go all the way to level 5, because you have to go to level 1 to 4 and then to 5 as well. Alright, let's go back there. Right, that is the smart contract where you can get access to the smart contract directly. It's open for anyone of the public can view that. It's public, available to the public. And then always verify that this contract ends with DE37. Make sure that you do not access an incorrect smart contract from somebody that claims to have deployed X3 Matrix. Right, and then here's a short explainer video about X3 Matrix, which is on YouTube. It won't open when you press there. You have to go to open on YouTube. Right, so this explainer is about 7 minutes. It explains you about X3 Matrix. Right, there is other videos as well, but there's just the growth at a glance, and you can see today there's the current numbers. Current registrations 8365, and today already 2 new registrations. No upgrades at this moment and no recyclings at this moment. So yesterday's details we'll get there now. This is the last 7 days. 26 upgrades, 3 recycles, and the royal pool has grown with 0.17 BNB. 0.017. This is the stats for the last 30 days. Almost 1,000 registrations, 14 recycles, 69 upgrades. Right, and then there's the numbers by level as well, from level 1 to level 12. Remember, user number 1 is on all 12 levels. So this is the stats for yesterday, for the last couple of days. Yesterday, 25 new registrations came in, 3 upgrades, and all 3 was upgraded to level 2. And then when you drag the screen to that side, there was no recycles yesterday, but the royal pool grew with 0.007 BNB. If you compare it with the other days, it's very good, because the other days are normally 0.001 or 4 or nothing. Right, so yesterday was a good day for the royal pool at least. So you can scroll up more. Here's everything explained why X3 keeps moving and what makes this engine running. Right, so it's a low entry fee. Now X3 was created for everybody, for those people who do not have the huge start-up capital to join any platform or to increase their earnings in the online space. So X3 this is, as I showed you there, it's basically 12 Rand, 10 Rand, 12 Rand, or 60 to 65 US dollar cents, depending on the value of BNB of the day. Alright, so let's just go on there. Low entry, real blockchain access, and people can learn about blockchain and decentralized smart contracts. Right, the first priority for you is to qualify yourself with 2 directs. That is the minimum requirement for any position to earn in X3 Matrix. Right, and that, as I said, you can be on any level, but you still need to have 2 directs, and those 2 directs can still be on level 1. They don't have to be on the same level as you. Right, and this keeps this matrix moving. That is actually a very good thing. That prevents stagnation. Right, so every slot has a job. Now this is because it's a unique and a dynamic matrix or routing system, and I will get to that explanation also now. Right, and there's auto upgrades for those that do not upgrade themselves to higher levels. In cycle 1, there's slot 4 and 5 that is designed to upgrade you automatically. You don't have to pay for it. We have seen in other smart contract platforms that once members are paid out the funds to upgrade themselves, they normally withdraw that money and they don't use it to upgrade. Right, in X3 that is not, that is, you are getting paid out instantly, but your upgrades are getting managed by the smart contract, so that money doesn't go to someone to upgrade themselves, and to prevent upgrading. If you qualify to upgrade, the smart contract will upgrade you. Right, and then also recycling that keeps the flow moving when slot number 14 is filled. Right, and then version 2 makes that auto upgrade or the upgrading happen. The members can upgrade to higher levels, but you still need to have your 2 directs that's still in place. It still applies before you can qualify for a spot or a payout. So how does it work? First of all, you connect the wallet, you register on the link that someone has sent you or the referrer has sent to you, and then you start earning. But first, after you qualified, you start earning from the 14 slot matrix. There's auto upgrades through the 12 levels, all of the 12 levels up to level 12. And you will also see that the highest member is only on level 7 at this moment. Let's just go there. You will see here there's 10 positions on level 7, no one on level 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, user 1 is from 1 to 12 only. The rest is, the highest is level 7. So it's still fairly new matrix. Huge potential, and people can upgrade themselves. Obviously they need to qualify first, and then you can upgrade. You can upgrade and then qualify, or qualify and upgrade. That doesn't matter. So that is basically how it works. How it works on your action plan, and then it's being explained for you in detail. You join, you share your link, or you register yourself, you qualify yourself, and then you start helping those 2 positions to qualify themselves as well. And once qualified, Routed spillover opportunities can land correctly according to the contract. Yes, there is spillover designed and built into this contract, but do not rely on that. Right, help your two get their own two directs as well. This is how the team builds depth and momentum. So the first rule is to qualify yourself. Right, just excuse this phone that's coming up, this message time and again. Right, so do not wait for spillover before qualifying. Build your own two directs first. And qualified teams creates stronger upgrade flow, recycling activity, and the Royal Pool competition points. Right, so what each 14 slot matrix does, positions. This is explained for you in detail, yeah? I'll go to the matrix as well for you to have a look. So position 1 and 2 spills up to your upline. Position 1 goes to your direct upline. Position 2 spills up 2 levels to his upline. Right, then positions 3, 6, 8 and 9 and 11 and 12, the green ones, they are paying directly to you on cycle 1. Remember, there are 2 cycles in X3 matrix, cycle 1 and then cycle 2 and the subsequent cycles. So the first cycle you're getting paid 6 times, the second cycle and subsequent cycles you're getting paid 7 times. On the first cycle, slot number 4 is held by the smart contract for the upgrades, and that is where the funds is that you saw on the smart contract. It's mainly from level or slot number 4 positions that the smart contract is holding. Once slot number 5 is occupied, it triggers an automatic upgrade for that user ID or position. Now then the spill down or the spill down comes in here, the spillover. Position 7, 10 and 13 is designed to support your downline team, and in some cases it can come back to you again. It depends on where that position will fall in the matrix, and then it gets operated according to the smart contract code again. It depends on where that position falls. If it falls in a spill up position again, in other words in a position 1 or 2, it will come back to you most probably. And then slot number 14 is your recycle position. That puts you back into the same level again. Right, it doesn't upgrade you, it just puts you back into the same level. So that this will happen over and over and over again. There's no limit to the number of times you can cycle on any level. Right, and then the dashboard tracking, everything is explained to you clearly. Then there's also the calculator. Right at the top, you can see all this tabs here. There's overview, there's register, there's live stats. You can use that to navigate quicker. And then X3 power, why X3, what makes it work, how it works. Then the guide as well as the calculator where we are at the moment. So you can see here at the moment it's using CoinGecko as a exchange or to get the correct value. So at the moment it's 0.001 BNB is $60 or 9 Rand 74. Right, here you can play around. You can tell you if you want to upgrade from a new position to level 5. It's going to cost you 0.031, and you can see the change there. It's $18.56 or 300 Rand. If you want to upgrade to level 6, you just press there and change it to level 6 and press the yellow one. You can see it basically doubles again, 612 Rand or $37. The BNB value will always be the same. This will not change, but the Rand and the dollar value will change. Alright, and then there's a potential estimated calculator that you can also use. This is where let's see how much you can earn from level 1 only. On your first cycle, there's your first cycle, or the first cycle here. Only one cycle without recycling. You're going to get paid 6 times, it's going to earn you $3.59. Right, on the subsequent cycles, you can see cycle 2 and recurring cycles, it's going to be 7 times, $4.19. Right, so nobody wants to play around with that. People want to make decent income. So let's go to level 4. Remember, you're going to earn from all of these levels, not one, not the highest level as well, only. So you're going to earn from level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say you are on level 5. What can you earn on level 5? You're going to, on the first cycle, you're going to earn $57, or just under R1,000. On the subsequent cycles, cycle 2, you're going to earn $67 or just over R1,000. Plus, you're going to earn from level 4. Oh, sorry, that's level 7. Level 4, it's going to be $33, 540 Rand. Plus level 3, 2, and 1. So you will earn from level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if you're on level 5. Same from all the other levels that you have activated yourself, right? So that is basically how you work. Play around with this. You cannot break anything here. And then right at the bottom is the level cost, the cost per level. Right, so you work out, basically everything is explained to you here. Sorry for that. You can just take some time and play around here. Right, and that is basically what X3 is about. So it's as easy as possible that it was designed to do, and it will always operate as long as the internet exists on planet Earth. Right, so you can get the live statistics. Live, it is the date. Today is 11th of August. And let's see how to register now. Okay. First of all, I'm going to create a new wallet in SafePal. I just want to do that. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to back it up now because I back up and then I add the number of that wallet. After I've registered it, then I will do the backup. But always make sure that you back up your wallets with the seed phrase and back it up manually. So I'm going to skip the backup for now. I'm just going to add the correct coin OPBNB, and you will see they changed it back to the black icon again. It's now black again, black and yellow, whereby the normal BNB is just yellow. Right, and you're going to add coin. Let's do the transfer. Okay, let's keep the backup for now. I'm going to deposit from another wallet. Sometimes it just takes a bit of time. Alright, now I'm going to go to the deploy wallet. I know there's funds there. $0.01001. Take note, it's 0.001001, and look at this. There's not going to be any change in the value here. 59 there. If I make it 001, it's still 59, but you still need that little bit of gas fees to register the wallet. Alright, so we're going to send that funds to this wallet, to the newly created wallet. Right, so we're just going to go back and refresh to update it. Now I received a link to register this morning. I'm going to go to that link. So if you want to join this group where we do weekly registrations, see that is one position on that link, copy the link where we assist each other on a weekly basis. You're most welcome to contact me for that. And this works very, very well. And this team actually wins the Royal Pool each and every week. They are the top qualifiers or achievers, basically. Right, I'm going to go to explore. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, but I want to show you from the back office where you're going to go. But make sure that your wallet that you registered or that you set up is in SafeSpell is on that specific wallet, not on a different wallet that is already registered or on a different platform. But also make sure that OPBNB is added there and it is funded with at least 0.001001 BNB. Right, let's just go back there. Right, I hope you are still following. So you're going to press on the register, give it some time. You will see the default is user 2. So I'm not sure if we can change that. It doesn't look like that. But that number, yeah, you can change it at the top. Should be able to do that. There's the edit and new one. Just gonna change that. Let's get this number. It's 5335993. So I'm just gonna add it, replace the 2 with 5993. Alright, and then I'm gonna, there it changes. Alright, so you just change the user ID right at the top in the search bar. It's 5993. The registration, we're just doing level 1 registrations here. You can from the start upgrade to higher levels as well. You just need to have the funds in the wallet. Right, but I'm just going to do a registration here on level 1. I'm going to connect, and this is what you will see if you do not register through the SafeSpell wallet. If you go to the website directly, you're going to choose Connect, Wallet Connect, and then SafeSpell. It will connect to SafeSpell. It will ask you to approve the transaction, or actually to connect with the wallet. You can see here, you can select the wallet to change the wallet. This is wallet number 3. It's a new wallet. All of these networks are, this is the EVM networks or EVM compatible, Ethereum virtual machine rights, but you can just agree here. And then this will come up and you will ask to register. Right, just give it some time. And then this message comes up to register to approve the transaction. Okay, and there you go, wallet is not registered. Why is that now? Alright, it must be registered. Let's have a look. Okay, the money went off, so it means it was registered. So what we do now, we go to explore and you will see in your SafeSpell wallet, the X3 site is the white triangle. You just press there, that takes you to the same URL. You can see here, there's the wallet, there it registers, it's 8367 and the referrer is 5993. So there we go with the first registration. Now you can also upgrade from inside the wallet. Upgrade now, you just need to have the funds in the wallet itself. You can choose here to upgrade to higher levels. Level 4 or 5 is very good. Now you already upgrade or you register on level 1. Now you just need to 0.03 to upgrade to level 5. Right, that is how you upgrade. And you see that if you go from, that's 0.031, but now you already activated level 1, so you're only going to pay 0.03 BNB. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is about X3 Matrix. Remember to get your 2 direct referrals as soon as possible to qualify you. Most members, they qualify themselves by registering 2 more positions under their own link, and then they upgrade themselves to higher levels. Right, that is where the speed is, and nobody wants to waste too much time by just registering wallets. Right, we have tested most of the things yet, and everything is working. So yeah, this will continue to operate until the last day that the internet exists on planet Earth. Alright, so there's a low entry. There's basically what the risk is that you can lose your wallet. There is obviously you are responsible for your own security of the wallet, for your seed phrase that you must keep safe and do not give it out to anybody. Right. Please reach out to the person that invited you, or if you have any other questions or queries or suggestions, kindly reach out to us, and we will discuss that. Thank you very much. There's no request for withdrawals. Everything gets paid out directly to your wallet if you qualify, and nobody can prevent that from happening. Thank you very much. If you are interested in joining our group that works together, kindly reach out to me, and I will get you in contact with those members. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.